Ferrari has long stood as a pinnacle of performance, design, and emotion in the automotive world. Each model is more than just a car. It's a piece of automotive art that blends cutting-edge technology with Italian craftsmanship. While every Ferrari is special, 5 stand out as the most iconic and influential, each representing the brand's evolution through the decades. From raw V12 screamers to hybrid hypercars, here's the story of 5 Ferraris that defined an era and the features that made them legends. The Ferrari 250 GTO, built between 1962 and 1964, is often regarded as the greatest Ferrari of all time. Only 36 were ever made, making it one of the rarest and most valuable cars in history. But its appeal isn't just in its scarcity. Under the hood was a 3.0-liter V12 engine producing 300 horsepower, massive for its time. Weighing just over 2,000 pounds, it was nimble, fast, and race-ready. The 250 GTO won numerous international races and was beloved for its precise handling, balanced chassis, and linear power delivery. What truly set it apart was its dual identity, a thoroughbred racer that could also be driven on public roads. It had no luxury features, no sound insulation, just pure connection between man and machine. Its bodywork, designed by Scaglietti, is still praised for its flowing lines and perfect proportions. Today, the 250 GTO isn't just a car. It's a symbol of Ferrari's golden age and a multi-million-dollar treasure that collectors worship. Fast forward to the 1980s, and Ferrari unleashed a radically different beast, the Ferrari F40. Built to celebrate the brand's 40th anniversary, it was the last car personally approved by Enzo Ferrari before his death. The F40 looked like a spaceship for the road, with aggressive aerodynamic styling, massive rear wing, and lightweight Kevlar and carbon fiber construction. Powered by a twin-turbocharged 2.9-liter V8 producing 478 horsepower, the F40 could rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds, a mind-bending number for time. But it wasn't just about straight-line speed. The F40 had no power steering, no ABS, no traction control. Everything was mechanical, raw, and visceral. You didn't drive an F40, you wrestled it. It demanded skill, attention, and respect. Inside it was bare bones, just bucket seats, a few gauges, and a steering wheel. No radio, no carpets, just the sound of turbos spooling and the engine howling. The F40 remains the ultimate analog Ferrari, a poster car for an entire generation, and a reminder that less can sometimes be more. In 2002, Ferrari introduced the Enzo, named after the founder himself, as a technological marvel that pushed the limits of road car performance. It borrowed heavily from Formula One, from its carbon fiber monocoque chassis to its advanced aerodynamics and electro-hydraulic paddle-shift transmission. At its heart was a naturally aspirated 6.0-liter V12 engine producing 651 horsepower, capable of revving to 8,200 RPM. The Enzo could hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds and had a top speed over 217 miles per hour. Its design, penned by Ken Okuyama at Pininfarina, was both futuristic and functional, shaped by the wind tunnel rather than tradition. Large air intakes, active aerodynamics, and a long, sharp nose gave an aggressive look that matched its ferocity. Inside, it was minimal but focused, with carbon fiber everywhere, an F1-inspired digital tachometer, and deep bucket seats. The Enzo wasn't just a hypercar. It was a rolling laboratory for Ferrari's future, showing how race technology could be tamed for the road. Then came the LaFerrari in 2013, Ferrari's first hybrid hypercar, blending electric innovation with V12 passion. It featured a 6.3-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine paired with an electric motor, producing a combined 950 horsepower. This hybrid system, called HYKRS, was derived from Ferrari's F1 KRS energy recovery system, allowing instant torque and improved acceleration. The result was breathtaking. 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds and a top speed of 217 miles per hour. Unlike most hybrids, LaFerrari wasn't built for fuel savings. It was built to go faster, corner harder, and brake stronger than any Ferrari before it. The chassis was made of 4 different types of carbon fiber, ensuring both strength and lightness. Its active aerodynamics adapted in real time to optimize downforce and reduce drag. The cockpit was driver-focused, with a digital dash and steering wheel loaded with controls, mirroring Ferrari's F1 cars. LaFerrari represented the perfect fusion of old-world Ferrari emotion with modern performance and sustainability, a new chapter in the brand's legacy. Finally, the Ferrari 812 Superfast, introduced in 2017, redefined what a front-engine GT could be. It packed a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12, the most powerful ever fitted to a Ferrari road car, producing 789 horsepower and revving to 8,900 RPM. Unlike the turbocharged and hybrid trend, the 812 stayed true to Ferrari's traditional V12 formula, delivering linear power and spine-tingling sound. It accelerated from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.8 seconds, thanks to advanced aerodynamics and rear-wheel steering that made it handle like a much smaller car. The 812 featured Ferrari's side slip control, magnetic suspension, and 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, making it a true blend of grand touring comfort and supercar aggression. Inside, it was luxurious but focused, with leather, carbon fiber, and digital displays wrapping the driver in a cockpit of speed. The 812 wasn't just superfast in name. It was a symbol that even in an age of electrification, Ferrari could still thrill the senses with pure V12 glory. These 5 Ferraris each reflect a different era, a different philosophy, and a different vision of excellence. From the handcrafted purity of the 250 GTO to the hybrid wizardry of LaFerrari, they all share the same DNA, a relentless pursuit of performance, beauty, and emotion. In every curve, every roar, and every detail, Ferrari reminds the world why it stands alone as the ultimate name in performance automotive history.